Hey guys, Mimish, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Um, let's check the markets. We have time. Markets are gonna move for another 50 minutes. Yeah, we are at all-time highs and in a balance, by the way. And in a balance. Um, close on Russell 2000, small caps. Dow Jones. Yeah, Dow Jones. S&P 500, same deal. We are at the all-time highs. Can you believe after a drop like this, it just goes back up like there is no tomorrow? It's like in one stretch, basically. And this looks like more like a correction. And this looks more like a main movement because it took us, what, like a few months to get down there and just like 1 month to get up. Wild. Wild. Yeah, this is short. Strength, weakness. Strength, weakness. That's a break, by the way. That's was, of course, it wouldn't hold because it's on a reaction bar. Tried to up thrust even with volume, and then went up. Pfizer I was looking at and asked my coach if there's any point to chart perforated levels within perforated levels. I don't know. Markets are crazy. Boom. Change of direction. Biggest volume in reaction bar. So even though it held locally on volume top thrust, I don't think it's a good. Yeah, 5 minutes don't look good. Oh, 1,000, 2,000. Yeah, it's not enough liquidity. Save data. I think it's short. I think it's short. Counter trend. Volumed. Why am I getting bored so fast with markets? I used to be so excited. Just looking at the market seemed like the best thing ever to me. Not anymore. I don't think any of this is a good idea. And I cannot short Bitcoin anyway, so I can only be long on crypto for now. Is the point. So what's the point? The less political and news influenced is the instrument, the better it is for my speculations. I figured. I figured. It's continuation of the trend. Yeah. It's a continuation of the trend. It's counter trend though, so why am I even considering this? So I should not. VTI looks to break. And if it does, then ooh, 0.5 will be like here. Too high. It's continuation of the trend. With exhaustion. With something that looks like exhaustion. Pum, pum. Interesting. It slides lower. I think it goes like down slowly, slowly. With this volume on a fool's day. Yep. I think it's going down. We change direction since 0.5 right now. Only if it gives a balance here, which I doubt. It's gonna be break. I guess this. Oh, that's for weekends, so never mind. What I'm looking for here? Oh, it's 0.5. I'm looking for good balance in 0.5, maybe. Up. Uh, Still a balance. It's getting weird. Doesn't go. It's good for trend trade. Nothing here looks too much. This volume looks great. Yep. It's just too high above the daily resistance level. Other than that, it's just too high. This is so. It was continuation of the trend, but it's closing in correction. Have birds chirping so nicely outside my window. So nicely. Continuation of the trend. Something like this. There's a balance and a break. Ooh, look at this volume. Look at this guy. I don't know what I'm looking for. Nothing. Nothing will fix it now. I think it was a 1 bar rule. Yeah, a 1 bar rule. And that's it. Dudoosh. This level still stands. It's just weird. It's just weird. That looks cute. And it's at the level right now. Well, in 3 minutes it's gonna close in the break, so never mind. It's 0.5. You don't really charge it like this, but it changed direction, showed us some strength. So let's see what it will do on hourly. Bro, this list is like too big. Continuation of the trend, which will close in the correction, most likely. Today. Yesterday. All my troubles seem so far. For I believe in you. Suddenly, do you remember Mr. Bean singing yesterday? Because I do. Suddenly. I just watched a skit of him young. He really nailed his character. Really nailed his character. He wasn't that legendary when he was younger, is all I'm saying. Is all I'm saying. There's no 0.5. This is too high. Still a little to watch. But in like, look where it is on monthly. So, a bush. And I live One, two, one, two, shouldn't say two. Um, McDonald's. Change of direction. Yeah, it needs to break. I just thought that dividend non-paying stocks has less gaps. Have they only have gaps on earnings? Bro is at 0.5. This is a volume, but it's not the biggest. It's big. So nothing here for investment trade. However, however, swing or swing or 5 minutes are possible. This volume is weird though. Looks like exhaustion for now. It's still good in continuation of the trend. This is done. This would be quite a level. Oh, this is horrible. Monthly supporting zone is too low. There's volume and all of that. No, this was good for a trade from 0.5. No, it wasn't. I mean, considering where we are on monthly. And it's a break. And then look at this guy, it will go lower. PM. Just to go lower. That's harsh, but this wasn't a balance, so Yeah. Something like this. Nothing. This is a massacre. It just bounces around. This level is broke, so we are good till 0.5. And even in 0.5, it doesn't make sense anymore. So, and it wasn't to begin with. That's the 0.5 we should be looking for. Yeah, this can rest. This 0.5 doesn't matter because, yeah, we already reached this 0.5, so one overlaps the other, I think. You got a test level. It's not horrible. Let's change of direction. Yeah, what can we do about it? Can I do about it? Absolutely nothing. UPS, continuation of the trend awaits. Yeah. Well, volume distribution is not good at all. It's going to be break, looks like, in a few. So high up there. So high up there. Simon Property Group. I have no idea what's that. That is. needs to come here. We're getting levels. Microsoft is breaking violently. Well, not violently, but it's breaking. Okay, I'm gonna go to know what to do with it. But you guys trade responsibly on your own, never listen to anyone, no one knows anything. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people.